What's going on, guys? My name is Jeffrey. Welcome back to Epic Reactions, and it's back to the BTS Airplane Part 2 at BTS Comeback Show. But in this video, I'm going to be doing a couple of live performances. So if you guys have any of your favorite live performances, let me know in the comment section below. I think I'm going to do I'm gonna try to watch every live performance. So I'm gonna just go through a bunch of these kind of videos. If you guys like them, let me know in the comments below if you guys like them and you guys want me to do more live performances. I'm gonna finish up the Love Yourself Tear album next video, and then I'm gonna start on another album. Let me know in the comments section below what other album you guys want me to jump into. If you're new here, click the subscribe button, click the like button. Hope everyone's practicing social distancing. Hope everyone's washing their hands, staying safe, staying healthy, and yeah, it's good sis.
숨쉬는 노래해 내 어디든 좋아 음악이 하고 싶어 내 어중거리 심장을 뛰게 하던 띵 하나뿐이던 길을 걸었지만 쉽지 않아 쉽게만 정말 지친 날 누군가 불러 세워간 limber.
Ooh, that camel work. Bro, this camera work with it him fading, the cameraman fading off the screen, or him fading back and then walking off the screen and then walking back on, it's so clean. See, that camera work is so clean. Go off. Bro, I love the camera work. It's so epic. Hey, dude, I still can't get over how in sync they are when they dance and they perform. It's so crazy to me. Ooh. Dude, I love always their stages and their backgrounds. I feel like they always have literally the best setups and stages to perform at. If they can make their own basically their stage, it's always so cool. That looks so cool. Yo, go watch it, hope. Oh, yo, this is dope. Yo, this is so fresh. Yo, that was so cool. Bro, that's what this camera work is insane. Go off. Yo, he just really picked up the mic like that. Dude, that was super dope. Dude, I can't get over that camera work. Dude, that performance was pretty epic. When they were coming on and off the screen and everything, that was literally dude, J-Hope went off when those three. Oh my, That was really good. I actually really like that performance. Like that was really cool. Their stages are always super dope. Like they have like the best stages to perform on. Like they never have like that's what I've noticed between like South Korea and like America is that like we do not care about like the stages and everything, and you like BTS always has like the greatest stages and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go on to another performance. All right, so I'm gonna be doing "Boy with Love" feat Halsey live at the iHeartRadio Jingle Bell. So I did this one because "Boy with Love" is by far my favorite song, and I've never seen them actually perform with Halsey. So I thought that'd be super cool. And yeah, that's about it. So I love this song. That's about it. So yeah, yeah, I want to see them perform with Halsey. Honestly, I've never seen that. So bro, what you guys have told me in the comments section, I realize now too that like American word shows when they're performing, they show the crowd way too much. Like that's like literally every 5 seconds they show the crowd. And now that I noticed it, like for versus like MMA's or thing, it bothers me that you guys have pointed that out. It legitimately does bother me. See, they show the crowd so much. Dude, this song is so good. Dude, this song is so good. Yo, this is this is gonna be my favorite performance. I just love this song. Like this song just genuinely just makes me like so happy. Like it's just unexplainable. Go off! Go off! Bro, they show the crowd way too much. Like they're hype, but like, let's go, bro. J-Hope's the man. Yo, this part is so good. Bro, this, oh my god, I love this song. Yo, that girl had a face hoodie on. Go off, Halsey. Dude, I've like a lot of people say like they didn't need Halsey for this song, but like her voice in this song is such a nice touch with like the Oma Mamai. Like it's such a nice like literally like it's like they like need this would have been like a banger without her, but like this song like that touch of it sounds just so good. Like this song is by far my favorite song of theirs. Like it's just so good. It's just so good. Like she just brings a nice touch to it. She's like crying. I'd be crying too, honestly, if I see this live. Yo, they're going off. Let's go, Namjoon. This part's dope too. They're so hyped. That literally, that made me so, I'm so glad I reacted to that. I'm so, dude, this song makes me so genuinely happy. And watching it perform, like, their performances are so dope with this song. Like, I enjoy, like, I know, like, this was probably, like, a bad performance. Like, I feel like a lot of people are like, that performance sucked. But, like, for me, like, that was, I like watching Halsey perform them with them, too. That was super dope. This song genuinely just makes me so happy. Like, it's literally, it's, it's amazing. So, I think I'm gonna do, like, one or two more performances, and then you guys are all gonna comment performances, and we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna like do like 10 episodes of this. Like, if unless you guys don't like this, but you know I enjoy this so a lot. So, all right, so I'm gonna be doing BTS Let the Mic Drop on Ellen's show on the Ellen, you know Ellen, the legend
have
Ellen.
demanded that we book our next guest. They are the most famous K-pop boy band in the world.
I feel like they're the most famous boy band in the world at this point. I don't know about it. It's just K-pop. I think they're most famous in the world. Like I feel like. Yeah, you could literally, they're the most famous in the world.
For the first time on television, this is BTS.
Everyone knows who, and like BTS is so like short, just BTS, so, like anyone, that's so like easy to like remember. It's BTS, it's literally 3 letters. It's literally 3 letters. Like, you can't remember BTS, then I don't, like, you just have, I don't know. That music video is really dope. They really gotta do all this? So yeah, because all the boomers that watch Ellen, all the boomers that are watching Ellen right now, they're like, who are BTS? And then they have to like show how big they are. So then they're like, okay, I'll watch. Why is that girl looking at the camera? Watch them perform. Yo, they show the crowd so much in America. Oh my god. Hey, let's go. I swear, some of these girls have no, I don't think they know who BTS are. I swear, just with their faces, it's like they like know, but they don't. Like they're not fans. Because some of them aren't hyped enough. Go off, Namjoon.
How many hours do we fly? I keep on swimming on the cloud. Yeah, I'm on the mountain. Yeah, I'm on the pine. Every day we vibing. My truck, bam.
That's so dope that they all fell like that. That was clean. I think it's just so impressive how like they do, you know how many songs they have, and they literally have a performance for every single like song. Like imagine, and then they like perform like I feel like different like versions of every song. So like it's literally insane how many like dancing they have like memorized in their heads that they like perform. Like it's literally insane. Like it's insane. Yo, their outfits are clean. Hey. I could literally watch them perform all day. Like, it's so impressive to me. It literally is so impressive to me. This CC is useless, by the way. Singing in Korean, thank you for that. Because I can't tell. I feel like the fans should be more hyped than that. Like, I feel like the fans aren't like hyped enough. Like, they're like hyped, but like not, you know? What's Ellen's a clown? Alright, so I know those performances probably aren't the best, and you guys comment all of your favorite and like your best performances. I just basically did this just to like get like an intro video out so we can just basically like the top comment, I'll do like, I don't know, just like everyone try to figure out in the comment section below what like all your favorite videos are, all your performances. And yeah, if you're new here, click the subscribe button, click the like button, check out my Patreon for exclusive content, follow me on Twitter, join my Discord, it's everything. So yeah, I hope everyone's just having a great day. You guys are just, yeah, I hope everyone's just happy. So see you in the next video.